Okay, next one. Afternoon, gang. I bought an expired 22-year-old Nissan dealership domain in New Jersey. Only problem is for the past few years, it was taken over by Chinese bot farms. Yeah, there's a lot of that. When you're hunting for domains, you see a lot of that. I just destroy those domains. Like I just delete those domains. I don't even look at them. If I see that it's been spammed with some sort of Asian, and it's not all just Chinese, by the way, because I see the same thing. And I don't know why it's Asian stuff. And don't anybody take offense to this. I'm not being racist. I'm just saying, for whatever reason, in domain hunting, I find a lot, and not so much me anymore, but my team finds a lot of domains that have been spammed by Chinese, Korean, Japanese, like it's all across the board. And I don't know why there's such a demand for US or English domains that get spammed by Asian countries. I don't understand what the attraction is for that. There's got to be a reason for it. I just don't know what it is. But like I said, whenever I find a domain where the recent history has been spammed, we delete it. We don't even consider it as a potential domain to be used. If it was spammed 5 years ago, but for the last 5 years, it's been relevant or related content, then that's okay. I don't mind that because it's established a new history, right? But if the most recent history has any sort of spam in it, we just eliminate that, right? It's disqualified. Yeah. Is there no hope for this site? I wouldn't waste my time. Just find another one. You can find other domains. Trust me, you can find other domains. Yeah, I'd just abandon it. You only paid whatever, $12 or whatever it was to register it. Just abandon it. Find another one. You're better off.